Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. This will be review number 3101 when it comes out on theramenraider.com. And today we have Samyang Food SRIRACHA Ramen. Something for all you sriracha buffs out there. Yeah. Water's boiling. Let's make it happen. So this I did a what do you call it? I did a spicy noodle video with this one, but I never did an actual just regular post, which is really not how I usually do things, but it's time. And with that being said, it is time. So we got 4 minutes for that. Let's grab the fork here. And let's talk about our noodle fascination. And boiling over water. So I thought today I'd switch it up. I keep thinking, I need to figure out something to talk about. Oh, I have no end of stuff to talk about regarding the world of instant noodles. So today let's talk a little bit about instant or Asian grocery stores. Now, I gotta throw this in there too. Anyways, Asian grocery stores are where it's at. Why? Well, let me tell you what I think, and what I think is the truth. They have all sorts of cool stuff. I mean, and I'm not talking like, don't go in there and like, oh my god, look at all the Pocky. No, I mean, Pocky's alright, I guess, but you can get some pretty wicked ingredients. I mean, don't be afraid of the freezer section. Fish ball, carved squid, shrimp, fish ball, fish cake. A lot of the time you just go over to the seafood area. It's like, I'd like to have some tilapia for dinner. Tell them that you want it cooked. Boom, you're done. They'll do it for you. They'll deep fry that whole freaking fish for you. Boom, done. We haven't done that yet, but that's pretty rad. And what else? Of course, the noodle aisle is just banging. Lots of good stuff there. Also, if you don't want to do the whole instant noodle route, you can get all sorts of different kinds of noodles to make your own kind of thing. Produce is generally cheaper and more exotic. Around here, definitely cheaper. And as far as exotic goes, things like different kinds of basil, different kinds of like herbs, and kind of like different green herbs and such, all over the place. Also, they have the big bags of mung bean sprouts that will last a week rather than at your corner grocery, providing that they actually do carry mung bean sprouts. Don't get as many, get the smaller bags, and don't get them as often. So you might go in there, it's like, hey, do you have mung bean sprouts? Oh yeah, they're over there, over there. And you'll go over there, and they expired yesterday, or they expire today. I hate that. That drives me completely insane, so that's why I like making the extra distance to the Asian grocery. And luckily for me, that's not too far out of the way or away from what we'd be doing going shopping anyways. Lots of candy, lots of treats. Really good jerky. Really good jerky. They have an aisle just for sauces. And there's of course there's soy sauce, and then there's like different cooking wines, and there's of course a whole line. There's a company called Lee Kum Kee, and they make everything that you probably will need. And they have everything on them, and all the directions are all in English, so it's gonna be okay. If you see something there and you don't know what it is, and it's not expensive, what's the harm in trying it? You know? Just buy it. Just go and buy it. That's the way I see it. If I see something that's really got me going like, oh, what the heck is that? Whoa. And that is how I discovered fishball. Because I'd heard people talking about it. Oh, what the heck is that? So I got like 3 little fish balls. And I hate to say it, Taiwan, the Singaporean ones I think are way better. Taiwanese ones are like so much more spongy, but there are ones that are less spongy from Taiwan. But some of them are hollow. Here's the SRIRACHA sauce. There are Taiwanese ones that are a lot of the time hollow, and they'll have like flying fish egg, or shrimp egg, or crab eggs, crab roe. I think lobster too, I can't remember, but not really a big fan of that. It's just, I like the Singaporean ones better. And I really want to someday have like fresh made fish ball, because I've never had that experience. So basically, look familiar? By Samyang. What else do they make? Yep, Bulldog Bokamyun. Look exactly the same kind of prep method. That's because it is, except you don't do the go back to the heating thing. You could if you wanted to. Nobody would look at you funny. Well, I might, because I really still don't think that's entirely necessary, but it doesn't hurt. So it's been a while. I'll give this a nice tasty taste. The sauce well coats the noodles. Ooh. There's some mung bean sprouts. Definitely a very bright, spicy sriracha flavor. And what I like too, is although it looks like the US sriracha, it doesn't have that burnt, bitter taste that the US sriracha has. It's actually much better. I am that guy. I'm the guy who thinks sriracha sauce made in the United States by Hui Fong is just not that great. I'm more of a fan of Thai sriracha sauce. Partially just because of the fact that I've been to Sriracha, Thailand. And there's a couple brands. I like Shark brand the best. But they're saying the first original sriracha was Sriracha Panich. And I believe it. It definitely looks like it's been around longer. So anyways, here's a plate. Here's our SRIRACHA ramen. You know, for the longest time, I absolutely hated it when people called it SRIRACHA. I would always say, no, look at what it says. It's SRIRACHA. SRIRACHA. But, you know, it finally came to the point that it was like, I'm somewhere. Uh-oh. I don't know if you can hear that. Hopefully not. But the daughter is angry. And that's never a good thing. When the daughter is angry, the decibels go up. spring onion for you. And some sesame seeds. That's about it. Could I put an egg on there? I could. Would it make it better? Well, yeah. Am I gonna? No. No egg today. Not on this one. Alright, well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you right there, you with the face, enjoyment of your instant noodles every day. If you like this video, please like, please subscribe. If you would be so kind, please subscribe and watch these other videos and comment. You got something you want to see me review? I'll review it. No sweat, no questions asked. I might ask a question. I should be honest. But yeah, I take requests and I enjoy fulfilling them. So, have a good one.